The highly awaited 2024 NX500, a motorbike that Honda has set the stage to present, is going to revolutionize the adventure touring category with its remarkable array of upgrades and improvements. With its innovative technology, long-lasting durability, and outstanding performance, the NX500 is a giant leap ahead in adventure touring, providing riders with an unmatched experience across a wide range of terrains. When the long-awaited 2024 Honda NX500 was unveiled, excitement peaked in the motorcycle industry. With its many cutting-edge improvements, this newest model from Honda has raised the bar for its class in terms of performance, comfort, and technology. A slew of upgrades meant to improve the adventure touring experience are standard on the 2024 Honda NX500. The NX500's engine is its beating heart. It's been fine-tuned to provide strong performance with little fuel use. The 2024 NX500 stands apart from the crowd thanks to its state-of-the-art technology features that prioritize the comfort and security of its riders. Advanced traction control assures exceptional stability and control, even in difficult riding conditions, and a state-of-the-art electronic fuel injection system guarantees optimum fuel efficiency and smooth throttle response. Also, the integrated smartphone connectivity makes it easy for riders to stay connected while on the road. The motorcycle's user-friendly display panel gives them access to navigation, music, and alerts. Adventurers looking to explore different terrain will find the NX500 to be the ideal companion, thanks to its versatility that allows it to effortlessly move from urban streets to harsh trails. While its sophisticated ergonomics and touring-oriented features provide long-distance comfort and convenience, its durable build and deliberate design elements highlight its off-road capabilities. The NX500 is proof that Honda is serious about making motorcycles that are great in different kinds of riding conditions, whether you're zipping around town or across the country. Lightweight design, nimble handling, and a full array of rider aids all add to a thrilling and confidence-inspiring ride on the 2024 NX500. The sturdy construction of the NX500, which demonstrates Honda's steadfast commitment to dependability and longevity, allows it to endure the challenges of adventure touring with little in the way of maintenance needs. For riders who value both speed and tranquility on their travels, the NX500 is the ideal option thanks to these features. Many in the adventure touring market are looking forward to the 2024 Honda NX500's release because they believe it will revolutionize the category. The NX500 is going to become the standard for adventure touring motorcycles with its combination of cutting-edge innovations, unrivaled versatility, and unrivaled capability. It will undoubtedly make an impression. If you're looking for an adventure tourer, go no further than the 2024 Honda NX500. It exemplifies Honda's commitment to innovation and perfection. With growing excitement, the NX500 is prepared to shatter expectations and provide riders with an unparalleled platform to conquer the world.